Hey, we appreciate you clicking on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Gentleman just brought by an inherited knife. Now, we've got a nasty crack on our handle, so I'm gonna have to get in touch with him and ask permission if I can repair that. I have a friend that has specific clamps for something like this. We might be able to put some wood glue in there and then clamp that, and hopefully that will be fine. It's a French knife. It's a Pernod, Nogent, Noyent. I don't know how you pronounce that. Corge Main Garante. So we'll clean that all up and of course sharpen it. It's not too bad, but it doesn't have nasty nicks and chunks knocked out of it or anything. Spine feels really good, very smooth. Nobody's hit that thing at all. It's going to be a very lovely knife when we get that done. Like I say, I want to try to fix that handle if that's all possible, and we'll show you our results when we return. Hey, thanks a bunch for hanging in on this episode of Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. That French butcher's knife I was showing you earlier, well, I did finish that up. I think it came out really nice. The handle, remember, had a big crack in it, probably about a 1/16 of an inch wide or so. Well, I did fill that up and sanded it down. It feels a lot nicer now. And we'll be protecting the handle from any debris that wants to get in there and get collected underneath the handle. And of course I shined it all up and cleaned it all up and sharpened it, and I hope he's happy. I am. And that is what makes the world go around here at Bladerunner Tool Sharpenings Before and After. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hey, give us a like and share our Facebook page, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And remember, with Bladerunner, there is never a dull moment.